Hello. What do you think of the weather behind me? What do you think of the sky? Nice, isn't it? It's I'm basically just stood behind this bush, but it's windy. Down Grand Rock, and really nice walking weather, but it's very all over the place, the rain. It's raining 1 minute, then it's not, then it is. So yeah, I'll just show you around. Say hello to my dog, as usual. Yeah, it's raining now. So this is Grand Rock Beach behind me on the west coast. Let me know if you visited this place before. And yeah, but then the sun comes out. It's really strange. Can you see it raining? I love this weather. There was a beautiful rainbow this morning. There's a lovely rainbow over around here actually by Port Swaff. Beautiful. I love this weather. I love it. So, as I just thought it was going to rain, it really calmed down. It's blowing sideways, you can see behind me. But the sun is out, so as quick as this will start, it will stop. So we're getting like really strong, short blasts of like heavy rain at the moment. And obviously when the rain comes, the wind really picks up. Interesting, isn't it? If you're wondering where I'm sheltering in the toilets. Classy. What a beautiful rainbow. We've been getting rainbows all day long actually. Every time it rains, sun's out, rainbows. Really nice to see though. So it's not all sun on the island of Guernsey, even though you think it might be. So by the way, if you're new here, this channel's all about what it's like living in Guernsey. If you want to see more stuff about Guernsey, have a look around the channel, subscribe if you want to see more stuff. And yeah, it's a bit of a different one today. Just want to give a mixture of the weather. Let me know if you're getting a lot of rain where you are at the moment. Or, I mean, it's not too cold. About 11 degrees, 12 degrees, but obviously that wind makes it feel a lot colder. But yeah, definitely getting heavy downpours at the moment, for sure. Right, that's all I'm going to do today, so I'm getting really cold. And see you next time.